Stop!
Hey guys, KBO here, and I will make a new YouTube video, Monster Jam Grinder in Atlanta, Georgia, 2012. Freestyle.
And we're going to see this guy you've been on, former world champion, Sosa. The Advanced Auto Parts Grinder, 3 Advanced Auto Parts Grinder trucks now in competition. All of them in action tonight. Frank Brimble sitting on the sideline right now, coming back from an injury. We'll see him again soon. But Nicole Johnson's actually put on the grinders this year. Impressive. Of course,
Inside view. Now watch this.
Look there. Oh my. He comboed that. And that's how you do it.
I know people ask, is he going to keep on going? Well, he is going to keep on going. But go back in, tightens it up, and gets the fires turned back up.
See what he's doing right there. He's testing the waters, making sure he's totally comfortable with the truck, and it's all rolling in, it's solid. And hang on, here we go. He's got definitely a chance to take the sleep coming out. Now he's got the absolute wild bone for the next game.
He might have a little bit of trouble. He's going to go. He's going to take a big jump in a minute. Right when he gets to the bonus, I think. See, he's just like, it's the inside view again. I'm driving. It's just like awesome. Everybody loves Grinder. This is Advanced Auto Parts, everybody's favorite truck. Everybody loves this. I think here it is.
If he can put up a big bonus number,
You're not Fred yet, though.
I think here it is. There we go. Look at that. You see that? And right here, Crash of the Year award. Crash of the Year. See.
You fall off the purchase.
See, look at this. Literally front flips it. Inside view flip. Right here. Boom! Look at that. He gets the major air right here. Boom! Kind of like the Jurassic Attack crash. Then flips it right back.
Two rollovers in one freestyle. Look at this. And he's heading up to the stands to celebrate with Messi, a new leader, no doubt about that. On 29 for Lupe Sosa, the Advanced Auto Parts Grinder, and that was testimony